Lux Adiba brings you Coding Master. Coding Master is one of the most advanced coding tutorials you can ever find. It is based on coding in core.org, Scratch, Thunkable, and many more. Some apps that are taught to code are ping pong ball game, basketball game, and many more. So here is an example of coding. So this is done Scratch. Clean up the blocks. This video is the first monthly bonus episode.
I wanted to put it here, but it's not showing.
This is creating a translator app in Thunkable.
I will also be posting the article version of this video in my website, so do check it out. Thanks for watching.
Calculator in code.org. So Lakshadiga is proudly presenting you Coding Master. Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Master, and in today's video episode we are going to see how to create a wizard game in code.org. So I'm giving a voiceover over here, that's why you can see that I'm talking fast. Okay, so I'll tell you how to create a wizard game. So basically in a wizard game, the wizard is a bad person who throws fire and pies. There will be a bird who should catch the pies. If she catches the pies, the bird, if the bird catches the pies, it will get 1 point. If it goes through the fire, then it will get -1 point. So let's see. As you can see, the codes are already arranged. The codes are arranged in the workspace. So first I added set point to 0. Then I added set rainbow background. Then set actor 1 to a bird. Then set actor 3 to a wizard. Okay, actor 3 also you can give, or 2 also you can give. Next, move actor 3 to 200 pixels up and 20 down. So I'll just show you where I got that numbering. I'll go to math, and from there I'll drag in the numbering. You can change the number from there. So yes, now I'll remove and add another number, so you can do that also. The article version of this video will as always be available up at my website, so do check that out. So I'll add the next block, set actor 3 size to 0.5, then set actor 1 size to 0.5. The next set of blocks already appeared on the workspace. I'll be adding show title screen, title dash text dash. Before that I'll add set points to. Set point to is set points to point. Then the title of the screen should be points, and the text over here should be points. That's what you can see that I'm doing. Yes, points or score. Score is a more appropriate word. So I'll just add points, set points to. I'll add score plus 1, yeah. Then set title to points. So now you can see that I have joined the two blocks together. then I'll be playing the game. So over here you can see that when the bird catches the pie, it is getting 1 point, but when it catches the fire, it is getting 0 points. So 0 minus points. So I got to change that. So we have to add another code to match it. So the next set of code has already been appeared on the workspace. Repeat forever. Inside the repeat loop, actor 3 throw pie down. Wait for 0.5 seconds. Next, actor 3 throw red fireball down. Wait for 0.5 seconds. Then again remove actor 3 left random integer from minus 200 to 200 pixels. Then actor 3 throw red fireball up. Wait for 0.5 seconds. Actor 3 throw pie up. Move actor 3 up. Random integer from minus 200 to 200. I've just combined the two random direction codes. So as you can see, the wizard is moving and he's throwing pies and fireball. When there is decrease or increase in the points, the score will be shown above. Okay, so the next set of codes are: when right arrow is pressed, move actor 1 right 20 pixels. Okay, so you can get the right arrow key in logic, so do check that out. Then I'm gonna add all the directions: when left arrow, right arrow, down arrow and up arrow. So all the directions will be added. That's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm searching for the points, that is decrease points. Okay, so set points to: when actor 1 touches the red fireball, set points to points minus 1. The same number of points. If for example if it is 1, it will become 0, and if it is 0, it will become minus 1. I thought of doing this video yesterday only, but I couldn't do it. Okay, so as you can see, the codes are already up here. So I'm just connecting them. The codes have already appeared. Move up arrow when up arrow pressed, and when active 1 touches pi, set point to +1, and title score and text point. Okay, as you can see, this was a very quick and easy game to create. So yeah, this game is done. Okay, now I'll just be playing the video of this game, or the introduction, for another 2 minutes. This game will be there in Whitehead Junior's course. So yes guys, thank you for watching today's video. See you soon. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell button so that you'll get all the notifications on my upcoming videos. And also don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends so that coding will spread to many people. And also be sure to comment on any doubts that you have in coding related or anything related to computers. So you just got to subscribe, like, share and comment on any of the videos for any doubts that you have related to coding.
So that's it, guys. Thank you. And you also go to check out my new website, that is lakshadiga09.wixsite.com/codingmaster. Here, you can learn about any alerts uh, which will be posted on the website. Then you can also view my videos. Then you can also see my upcoming events. And then you can contact us if you have any doubts by giving your name, email, phone number, and address is optional. If you want to give, then you can give. But don't worry, your name, email, phone number, address will all be safe with us. And you can also type the subject, and you can type the you type your doubt over here in this block. Then you can click submit to send your doubt to us. Okay, then you can also chat with a chatbot over here. We will respond to you as soon as we can. And if you are a member of this website, you can chat directly with me, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. So let us move back to the top, and I'm going to show you where you can see my article version of how to use Microsoft PowerPoint part 1. Don't worry, there will be many more parts coming. So you just got to go to blogs, in which will be in the more, and here you can see over here that there is already the article of how to use Microsoft PowerPoint, everything you need to know. Okay, so if you click on the link, it will open a new article. Here you can read the full or the whole article. Uh, uh, if you want any reference, or if you want a more detailed version of this video. So that's it, guys. And for sure, all the music in my video is original. To listen to it, go to lakshadiga09.wixsite.com/codingmaster/music.